A batch of 30 Afghan Sikhs, including men, women, and children, arrived in Delhi from Kabul on Wednesday as evacuation of Afghan minorities to India continues in the wake of rising religious persecution in Taliban-ruled Afghanistan. These Afghan nationals arrived from Kabul on board Calm Air Flight number 4401. Indian World Forum President Puneet Singh Chandok informs that still there were 110 Sikhs left in Afghanistan, while 61 e-visas applications were pending with the Indian government. Earlier, 32 Afghan Sikhs were evacuated from Kabul post the bombing of the Karte Parwan Gurudwara in Kabul. Sikhs' single largest representative body, Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee, has borne their airfare. India's Lovepreet Singh won a bronze in men's 109 kg to continue the country's medal rush in weightlifting at the Commonwealth Games on Wednesday. The 24-year-old from Punjab lifted a total of 355 kg, including a new national record of 192 kg in clean and jerk to finish third on the podium. He lifted 163 kg in snatch. Junior Nyabeyu of Cameroon claimed the gold medal with a total lift of 361 kg, while Jack Opilog of Samoa bagged the silver by lifting 358 kg in the event. India has so far won 8 weightlifting medals, including 3 gold in the showpiece. Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann has approved the reduction of the members of the Punjab Public Service Commission from existing 10 to 5. Giving details, the Chief Minister said that at present there are 10 members. The salaries, perks and other emoluments of these 10 members are putting an undue burden on the state exchequer. Bhagwant Mann said that the reduction is being done to make the functioning of the commission cost-effective. The Chief Minister said that keeping in view these issues, it has been decided that the existing number of these members will be halved. He said that this will streamline the working of the commission on one hand and will help in saving a lot of taxpayers' money on the other. Bhagwant Mann said that with this decision, the state government is expected to save a lot of money being spent on these members. The Chief Minister said that the official notification of this will be issued once the number of the existing members come to 5 after the completion of the term of the few members. Vikas Thakur arrived at the Commonwealth Games listening to Sidhu Moosewala's songs. The Indian weightlifter was thinking about the late Punjabi singer's music even while doing the lifts during the competition. Having skipped meals for 2 days following Moosewala's murder, the first thing Thakur did after winning his third Commonwealth Games medal on Tuesday was to pay tribute to his idol by doing the Thai 5 celebration. The seasoned Thakur lifted a total of 346 kgs to finish second in men's 96 kg event. Thakur, who hails from the Rajput Jat community in Himachal Pradesh, said the Punjabi Thapi Thai 5 was a tribute to Sidhu Moosewala. The rapper politician from Punjab was killed in broad daylight at Mansa on May 29th. He was 28.